Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Grace. I am currently 8 months pregnant with my first child. I am due at the end of November with a baby boy. And for today's video, I'm going to show you guys what I packed in his hospital bag. I might be a little early. I don't know how early I should pack his bag. I'm almost 32 weeks pregnant. So I'm like, I want to be safe than sorry. I have not started packing my bag yet. Still waiting for a couple of things to come in the mail. But once I pack that, I will share with you guys and do a video on that. But Caleb and I packed Leland's bag last night. So I was really excited to share this with you guys. So starting off, we're just using his diaper bag, which is, it's Eddie Bauer brand. And it is from Target. It took me a really long time to decide on what kind of diaper bag I wanted, because I wanted one that Caleb and I both would be comfortable carrying. And I just wanted something that was just simple, and I loved the gray, so this is the diaper bag that we have. One thing that I haven't put in here yet, just because it's like a decoration in his room, I don't know if you can see that right here behind the L. It's a letterboard with his name, and like it's for his birth announcement basically. For his weight and all that stuff in the day he's actually born. I haven't packed that yet. Honestly, I just forgot, but I do have that set to take with me to the hospital. So yes, I'm waiting to put that in the bag. But everything else that I'm taking is in here. So this may be like a lot. I know that the hospital is going to provide a lot of stuff, but I just wanted to bring some of my own stuff, or just things just in case I need extras, or I don't know. This is like not a lot, but at the same time it might be too much. I don't know. This is what I'm most comfortable with. So we'll just get started. I already have diapers and wipes in here. I know the hospital is going to provide those. That's just for when we leave the hospital, so I'm not going to show you that. So everything I have is in this one compartment here. So let's just get started with just the blankets and swaddles and stuff like that I'm bringing. So I'm just bringing one receiving blanket because I know the hospital will have some. I just wanted to bring one from home. It just kind of matches his room, which is why I picked this one, because I have a lot. It just is a bunch of safari animals. And then I just have a Swaddle Me Swaddle, which I've shown you guys before, which I love. These are my favorite. I love this print, so that's why I chose to bring this into the hospital. It's like foxes and wilderness. I thought it was super cute. Again, I know the hospital will probably have swaddles, but these are the swaddles that I'm most comfortable with. So I wanted to bring one of those. And then I just have two just blue striped burps cloths. Again, I'm sure the hospital will have some, but even just to have, I don't know what to expect. So I want to have some for the ride home. You can see Mac is guest starring in this video. So those are all for just like swaddles, blankets, that kind of stuff. Again, I'm sure the hospital will provide, but I just wanted to bring my own. So I have this first little black, or not black, wow, okay, black, gray and white striped hat. This matches his homecoming outfit. It's so cute. I love the little knot at the top. These are my favorite baby hats. I love the ones that have knots at the top. And then just this goes with his second outfit. Again, I'll explain why when I get there. It's this little gray hat with just little ears, which is super cute. Again, pretty simple. And then I also have these little booties for him, which I know the hospital won't have. My mom bought these for him, just for it to match his going home outfit, but they're kind of smushed from the bag. They're little like bear booties. They're so cute and knit, and they are newborn booties, so they should fit him, but they're so sweet little bears. And then just a striped pair of mittens, and then this little sports football pair of mittens, and then just two pairs of fluffy white socks. Again, I don't know if the hospital will have socks, but I want him to have his alone. So those are like little accessories and everything like that. And then all that's left in here is just his clothes, which is the best part. So I brought two different outfits, because one is his homecoming outfit, which I'm hoping he'll be able to fit into. My mom actually ordered this for him. So as you can see, it has these little pants that match the hat. This is a size 3 months. My mom and I decided to size up and get a bigger size than newborn, just because I want him to be able to wear it longer. But I'm not sure what he's measuring right now. He could be really small, so he may not be able to wear this home. I'm hoping he will be able to, but it comes with a little onesie and it has his name on it. It says Leland established in 2019. So it'd be such a cute little outfit with the hat and the little bear booties. So I'm hoping and praying that he'll be able to fit into this, but if not, I do have a newborn outfit if he's that tiny that he can't fit into it. And it's just these little newborn dark blue pants, and this outfit goes with the little hat with the ears. And then it's just a black and white striped onesie with a little bear, which I thought was super cute. So again, just in case, I mean, it's crazy the size comparison between newborn and 3 months. Like, it's crazy. So I'm hoping he'll be able to fit in this, but if not, it's not the end of the world. He'll be able to wear it eventually. Just not what it was intended for, but it's fine. But if not, I have backup. So yes. hospital where I'm going to be giving birth provides a lot of stuff, and I didn't want to go too crazy. Oh, actually, I did forget to show one thing. Pardon me. That's my fault. I forgot to show pacifiers. I have a bunch of like the green Advent ones, which I know the hospital provides, so I didn't want to bring any of those. So I just brought 2 other kinds in case it isn't like the hospital kind, or if I need more. So this is just a glow-in-the-dark MAM pacifier. As you can see if it'll focus. And then I just have a Nook pacifier. So I have a bunch of Nook and MAM ones as well as the Advent ones. With the Advent ones, they usually give out at the hospital. So I want to bring these just in case, or if he likes them all, well then good for me. But yes, I'm also going to be bringing my breastfeeding pillow, but I don't know if I should include that in my stuff or his. So I guess I'll just include it in this video. Probably going to carry it in, but I'm just going to bring my breastfeeding pillow. Got this on Amazon. It's called My Breast Friend. If you are wanting to get one, just look up My Breast Friend. My Breast Friend breastfeeding pillow. Like my best friend, but my breast friend. But yes, it's really cute. Really nice for breastfeeding. Yes, I'm going to bring that as well. I'll just include it with his stuff. I just have it hanging out behind me. But yes. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye!